Hi, everybody. It's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch Review. Stocks in Asia-Pacific traded higher in the last trading session after Wall Street recovered overnight. They were able to recover most of their losses, while the European STOXX 600 dropped 0.5% in thin trading Friday. US dollar index sets record for highest annual gain since 2015. The index is slightly lower by 0.1% on Friday. WTI oil and gold are both lower at 0.1%. Asian Pacific market. Chinese fund managers that made large bets on Chinese energy companies celebrated a difficult year for their peers. Huang Hai manages 3 funds at Wanjia Asset Management and has outperformed the market when he bet on energy stocks. His Wanjia Macro Timing Mixed Fund had 48.4% return and was the most successful balanced fund. The correction movement ended for the US dollar, and it looks like it is starting a new decline against the Japanese yen. The resistance zone against the greenback was confronted by the Aussie. It is located at the higher end of the 0.68 level. Market of Europe. Nationwide, a mortgage lender, said that the British annual house price increase saw a further sharp slowdown in December. This was in response to the fact that mortgage costs have risen, which has reversed some of its pandemic-led boom. According to the lender, prices fell 0.1% in November, their 4th consecutive monthly price drop. According to a survey by Reuters, Germany's inflation rate will not fall rapidly, and the European central bank's target for 2% by 2020 will be impossible. Although the euro is trying to break out of the current range, there is significant resistance around the 1.0750 level. Yesterday's trading range included the British pound. Market of America. The White House released a statement saying that President Joe Biden signed Thursday's $1.66 trillion bill to fund the U.S. government through fiscal year 2023. This legislation provides record levels of military funding, emergency assistance to Ukraine, more aid to students with disabilities, additional funding for workers' rights, job training resources, and affordable housing for veterans, families, and fleeing domestic violence. The greenback hovers above the support zone, 1.3485 to 1.3540 for the Canadian dollar. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.